Good morning, students. Today we start new chapters. Chapter number 4. Chapter 4. Coordinate geometry. Coordinate ordinate coordinate geometry. Geometry. Today we start new chapter coordinate geometry. Okay, this is very easy chapter and please observe, listen. Please student concentrate on this chapter coordinate geometry. In this chapter means in coordinate geometry we shall first define the coordinates of a point in a plane with reference to two mutually perpendicular lines in the same plane. Okay, we shall also learn about the plotting of points in the plane. This plane is also known as Cartesian plane. What? Cartesian plane. This plane is also known as Cartesian plane, which will be used to draw the graph of line equations in one or two variables in the Cartesian plane. Okay, now we discuss about rectangular or Cartesian coordinates of a point. Rectangular or Cartesian coordinates of a point. Rectangular or Cartesian coordinate of a point. The French mathematician and philosopher René Descartes first published his book La Géométrie in 1637, in which we used algebra in the study of geometry. This he did by representing points in a plane by ordered pairs. Ordered pair means in this way. This is known as ordered pair of real numbers called Cartesian coordinates, named after René Descartes. In this section we shall see how points in a plane are represented by the ordered pair of real numbers. Okay, in this chapter we shall see how points in a plane, points means xy, which is in ordered pair, we shall see how points in a plane are represented by the ordered pair of real numbers. Okay, now we see Cartesian coordinate axis. We explain Cartesian coordinate axis. Cartesian coordinate axis. Okay, let that is x o x dash this is y o and y dash. Let x o x dash and y o y dash, y o y dash and x o x dash be two mutual perpendicular lines. Perpendicular means that these are intersect at 90 degree. It means that mutually perpendicular lines through a point O, in a plane of graph paper in the given figure. Okay, and here the line x o x dash is called x axis. The line x o x dash is called x axis. Okay, and the line y o y dash, which is that perpendicular line y o y dash, is known as y axis. Okay, and the two lines x o x dash and y o y dash taken together are called coordinate axes, and the line x o x dash and y o y dash taken together is known as coordinate axis, Both lines x o x dash and y o y dash taken together is known as coordinate axis. Okay, and the point of intersection of these line, as this line, that is O, is called the origin. That point is called the origin. Okay, this is very important discussion. Okay, so dear student, please concentrate very carefully. Let's see once again. Cartesian coordinate axis. First of all, we'll draw two lines x o x dash and y o y dash are two perpendicular lines which are intersect at point O. Here the line x o x dash is known as x axis and the line y o y dash is known as y axis. This is line called y axis and this is known as x axis. Okay, and the line x o x dash and y o y dash taken together are called coordinate axes. Okay, and we discuss about origin. What is origin? The point of intersection of two lines, that is O, is called origin of axis. Okay, now we discuss about quadrants. Quadrants. We discuss about quadrants. Okay, in this figure the coordinate axes x o x dash and y o y dash divide the plane of the graph paper into four regions. First region is x o y, that is first region. Okay, x dash o y, that is the second region. X dash o y dash this is the third region, and x o y dash this is the fourth region. These four regions are called the quadrants. Okay, and the region x o y, that is called first quadrant. The region X O Y, that is this region, is called first quadrant. The region X dash O Y, that is called second quadrant. And the region X dash O Y dash, X dash O Y, that this region is called third quadrant. Third quadrant. And the region X O Y dash, X O Y dash, is called fourth quadrant. Okay, so these are the quadrant. Means these coordinate axes divide the plane in four regions, and these regions are called quadrant. And the first here, this region is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrants. Okay, now, okay dear students, clear? Now we discuss about Cartesian coordinates of a point. Okay, now we discuss Cartesian coordinates of a point. Now we discuss Cartesian coordinates of a points. Okay, let's see once more times. Here, that is O, that is Y O Y dash, this is X O X dash. Okay, now we discuss, this is first quadrant, this is your second quadrant, this is your third quadrant, and this is your fourth quadrant. Okay, this is your fourth quadrant. And here we discuss about Cartesian coordinates of a points. Okay, let X dash O X and Y dash O Y be coordinates axes, and let P be any point in the plane of the paper. One thing is that here first we discuss coordinates of a point. All point which are on X O X, that is X axis. All points which are lies on X axis, that is the line on line X dash O X, is called abscissa. That is X coordinate, is called abscissa. Abscissa is called X coordinate. Okay, abscissa, that is X coordinate. All points lie on the line X dash O X is called abscissa, that is X coordinate. And similarly, all points take all the points lies on the Y axis, that is Y O Y dash. Y O Y dash y dash is called ordinate, is called ordinate, that is y coordinate, that is y coordinate. Okay, so here two important things, abscissa and ordinate. Abscissa is the line, is the point which lie on the x axis, that is x coordinate, is called x coordinate, and all the points lies on the line y dash is called ordinate, that is y coordinate. Okay, suppose that any point lies on the x axis, so their ordinate is 0. Okay, and suppose that any points lies on the y axis, that is its abscissa is 0, is abscissa is 0. Okay, now dear student, please observe this Cartesian plane. Here this is the origin, and origin is the point of intersection of both the axes. O be the origin, and at right side this is the positive direction of x. Here right side of the 0 taking all point as positive, +1 +2 +3 and dots 1. Similarly on the left side of the origin, -1 -2 -3 taken all point is negative. Similarly above side, here this is the positive direction of y, that is +1 +2 +3 and dots so on. This is the negative direction of y, that is -1 -2 -3. Okay, this is the negative direction of ox. This is the positive direction of y, this is the positive direction of y. Ox dash, this is the negative direction of x. Oy, this is the positive direction of y, and here this is the negative direction of y. Okay, so in first quadrant both abscissa and ordinate is 0, because it is the positive direction of x and it is the positive direction of x. So in first coordinate both abscissa and ordinate is positive, that is x, that is y. Okay, in second quadrant abscissa is negative but ordinate is 0. So in that region, that is second coordinate, abscissa is negative but ordinate is positive. Okay, similarly in third quadrant abscissa and ordinate both are negative, so abscissa negative and as well as ordinate negative. Okay, in fourth quadrant abscissa is positive, abscissa is positive but ordinate is negative, that is plus minus. Okay, so in that quadrant both abscissa and ordinate is greater than 0, in it is positive na, and in second quadrant abscissa is less than 0 but ordinate is greater than 0. Okay, in third quadrant both are negative, abscissa and ordinate, so abscissa is less than 0 and as well as ordinate also less than 0. In third quadrant abscissa is greater than 0 because of it is positive but ordinate is 0, that is y less than 0. Okay, okay, so all the points represent as ordered pair, means x y, that is this point is called abscissa, which all points abscissa which is lies on the x axis, that is x o x dash, and the point y is known as ordinate which represent the y axis, that is y o y dash. Okay, and collectively xy is known as ordered pair. Ordered pair. Okay, and one thing is important, one important thing, that the coordinate, the coordinate of the origin, coordinate of the origin are taken as, are taken as 0 0, means abscissa is 0 as well as ordinate is 0. So at the origin both the abscissa and ordinate is 0. So the coordinate of the origin is always, are always 0 0, means abscissa and ordinate both are equal to 0. Okay, now dear students, all the topics including this chapter is completed. Now we discuss some questions here, and then after you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise. Okay, let's see some question. Your question is, in which quadrant, in which quadrant do the following points, do the following points lie? Following points lie. First one is 4 2, second one is -3 4, third one is -2 -5, and fourth one 4 and -2. Okay, now we discuss. Take first point. First point is 4 2, and here we, our question is, in which quadrant do the following points lie? 4 2, here we observe that abscissa x and ordinate y both are positive, so it lies in the first quadrant na, because just we discussed in first quadrant both the abscissa and ordinate are positive, so the point 4 comma minus 4 comma plus 2 lies in first quadrant. Okay, now take second point. Second point is -3 4, here abscissa x is negative but ordinate y is positive. Abscissa is negative in, abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive, so we know that in second quadrant abscissa is negative, in second quadrant abscissa is negative but ordinate that is positive, so it is lies on second quadrant. So this point lies in second quadrant, second quadrant. Now we discuss about third point. Your third point is -2 -5, both the abscissa and ordinate is negative, and we know that both the abscissa and ordinate are negative in third quadrant, so this point lies in third quadrant. Now we discuss about fourth point. Or fourth point is 4 -2, here abscissa is positive but ordinate is negative, and we know that abscissa positive and ordinate is negative in fourth quadrant. So the point 4 minus 2 lies in fourth quadrant. Okay, so dear students, you solve all the questions based on this topic in this way. Okay, now we take some other question. Your question is plot the following points on a graph paper. On a graph paper, your points are 3 4, second minus 2 3, third minus 5 minus 2, fourth 4 minus 3. Okay, plot the following points on the graph paper: 3 4 minus 2 3 minus 5 minus 2 4 minus 3. Okay, let's see. First of all, here we plot the points on copy, but dear students, you draw these points, all the points on your exercise, NCERT exercise, plot on the graph paper. Okay, take x o x dash and y o y dash. Now take suitable points: +1 +2 +3 +4 +5 +6 +7. This is the positive direction of x. Here this is the negative direction of y x, that is -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6. Okay, this is the positive direction of y, that is +1 +2 +3 +4 +5 +6 and so on. Similarly, this is the negative direction of y, that is -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 and so on. Now first of all, we take first point is 3 4. Here both the abscissa and ordinate are positive, so this point lies on the first quadrant. So abscissa is 3 and ordinate is 4. First we start from the origin. Abscissa is 3, so we go through the point 1 2 3, and ordinate is 4, so 1 2 3 4, that is, and this points. At this point lies point A 3 4. Okay, similarly -2 -3. -2 is here, abscissa is negative but ordinate is positive. Ordinate is positive, that is 1 2 3. So at that point -2 and 3, in second point lies on that point. Okay, and third, both the abscissa and ordinate 0 negative, that is this point lies on the third quadrant. X is negative, that is -5, and ordinate -2 at that point, at that side. Yeah, here third point lies on the third quadrant here. Okay, and last one 4 3, this is +4, abscissa is positive, so here, and ordinate is negative, that is at this, and if 4 point lies on this point, 4 point. So dear students, you plot all the points on the graph paper using basic concept of the Cartesian coordinate axis and Cartesian plane. Here we discuss sign convention, so please be careful while you are plotting the points, because of in first quadrant both abscissa and ordinate is positive, in second quadrant abscissa is negative and ordinate, so this point lies on the second quadrant. Here abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive, so this point lies on the third quadrant. And last one 4 and -3, abscissa is positive but ordinate is negative, this point lies on the fourth quadrant. In this way you solve and you plot all the points on the Cartesian plane on the graph paper. Okay, so dear student, this chapter is closed. This is very small chapter, so you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise. Thank you.